Assalamualaikum.
Hello.
Hello. Today we are going to eat some Bengali food, and from many days we wanted to eat it because we love it and we were missing it so much. So finally we decided to go and eat the Bengali food. Now we are going, and in few minutes we'll reach there.
This is the vegetable market. There are lots of vegetables available here. At the sweet shop, there's so many sweets. We're gonna try a lot of sweets today. That's why it's like one main thing to come here is to eat sweets. First, my ammu is trying this rasgulla that is made with curd. I don't like it, but my mom loves it. Now I'm eating chum chum. I like eating chum chum, but it's not like my favorite. Now my mom is eating Rajbhog. She also likes it, but I don't. Actually, my mom loves to eat sweets. Now I'm eating this gurka sandesh. It was pretty tasty, that's why I ate it. Not like super, but yeah, I don't like sweets that much. My mom is eating dahi now. She's eating curd. She likes it. Now I'm eating bundia. I really like it because there's one laddu that is made of bundia. I love laddu. So I kind of like bundia also. My mom is eating langcha. She likes mostly every sweet. My Gunu doesn't like to eat any sweets except for jalebi and amriti. Now my mom is eating again gurka rasgulla. She loves it. It's like one of her favorite. This time she took 2 pieces and watch her eat these 2 pieces like so fast. Now this is malai chop. Mom is testing it.
Shop number 2. Shop number 2. Roti Thakur.
अबे खाना पैक करना सर खाना पैक करना
And here we took this combo, but I really didn't expect it. They're gonna put everything in once. Yeah, I get it what I am talking about. You don't get it, but now after a few minutes you'll get it. Now you got it right. I thought they're gonna but anyway. The taste was not that bad, so okay, it was fine. But it's like I'm eating so much after some now. I'll be like, oh my god, I ate a lot. I'm so full.
kazalan ko naman
We also took this chicken roll. This was so yummy. Fun.
ये
Now we are going back. We ate a lot, as you saw. My Ammu loves to eat sweets, and she ate a lot.
And we are full eating.
Yeah, her favorite is rasgulla. You saw her eating rasgulla. Now we are so full. There we also ate the noodles and roll and all. Now we are super full, and now we are going back. So, bye bye. Ma salama.